We got the 5-piece bathroom setup, towel hanger, toilet paper. Let's crack it open. We're gonna look in this box and see that, first of all, usually don't do box unboxing videos, but look how nice and neat it's all packed in here. Pretty nice. Let's start with these little towel hooks here. These are all going to install the same, and I'm going to show you how to install them because it involves this little plate right here, taking this plate off, actually mounting the plate, and then mounting the hook to the plate. These two hooks are here. They do give you lots of goodies, plenty for hanging everything. You're going to need this little hex wrench, and they give you 2 of them just in case you accidentally lose one. They're going to give you a toilet paper holder. This is the one that installs a little bit different. They give you screws and something they call like screw buttons and these black little things to install this toilet paper dealio. We got a towel hanger-upper. Once again, same idea with these things. We're going to install that, and then we're going to install this to that bracket piece. Finally, you get the big old towel hanger, and this is going to go together like this. So you kind of push that so that space disappears right there. Then you got this long towel. So you have, this is the 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And of course, there's lots of other little pieces, but this is the 5-piece kit. Let me show you some measurements. This towel hanger, the towel hanger itself is right at 60 centimeters, if we're doing centimeters. And then the whole thing from end to end is 64.5 centimeters. And so now you have some ideas of these measurements. The toilet paper holder, let me give you this measurement as well, just in case you're wondering exactly what it is before you buy it. 5.5 inches or 14 centimeters. This is about the same, right at about 6.5 inches or a little over 16 centimeters is this towel hanger. And then these little guys, they're just a couple inches, literally 2 inches or about 5 centimeters. So I'm going to first show you how to install the toilet paper holder. It's going to go like this, at least in our case, because you might want to set some things here. This is very easy to install. Happen to be installing it in my garage. This is a garage channel, so we're going to hang tape on it and stuff like that, but the same installation procedure is going to be the same for you. So you're going to want to put it up on the wall, and I'm going to use level so that I know that it's level on the wall. This has a magnet, but it's not magnetic. It's some of the metal. So we're going to put it kind of where we want it. So I need to mark these in each of these holes, what size we're going to be using. So get a shot of this. My son Max is filming. We have these plugs. Just dropped it. We have these plugs. Zoom in on that, Max. This size, you got to pick a drill bit that's a little smaller than it. You want to do a hole, and then you want this to be tight. You don't want this to be loose in the wall because then it'll turn and you'll have problems. You want it to be a little smaller. So if you get a zoom in on that, you can tell it's a little smaller. I think this is going to be a perfect size. And we are simply going to line it up, drill a hole. And when you're drilling drywall, it's not that thick. You should go right through, easy peasy. And then you're going to need the biggest hammer you can find. A little tack hammer is fine. You're going to put this in there. That was pretty bad hammering. That one's much better. And then here, zoom in on this, Max. So we have this particular installation. We have these little, I'm going to call them little plastic things. And then the nubs are going to go on that. So here's how you want to install it. Come over here. I'm going to set this in first and put this in on here. I don't know if Max is going to be able to show you that, but I'm just going to put it in a little bit. Now that's going to hold it. See how it's just, show them that, Max. It's just dangling and dongling there. That's okay, because we're going to get this other screw ready. See how this other screw's ready? put it on there. I'm gonna hold it upside down, and my bits are a little magnetic, so it makes it a lot easier. Okay, now I got it. Stick on there eventually. All right, so we got this thing all installed. We do have the mega roll on there, so if you're wondering if it'll hold a mega roll, it will hold a mega roll. And then look in on here, this thing looks really good on here, very strong. Max, zoom in on these little beads. I had to push my thumb in really hard. I had to actually use 2 thumbs when I pushed it on, and so it hurt my thumb. And so I'm telling you that just so you'll say, poor guy. Somebody in the comments say, poor guy, hurt my thumb, had to really push. But it got him on just fine. It's a great product. Let's come in here, because I'm going to show you the towel holder. It's our bathroom. So we currently have the brushed nickel in here. Everything's brushed nickel. So I'm not going to install it in here. I'm just going to show you how to install it. Here's how I would do it. First, I would remove this. I would put these up there where I wanted it. I would, once again, get my leveler and put it on there, just like this thing is level. Put this on there, make sure it's level, and then what I would do if I was installing it right over here, because there's already going to be holes back here, is I would put it exactly where I want it to go, and I would use a pencil, and I would trace exactly where this is, and so I could see this pencil mark. It's very light pencil, and what I would do is use this tool right here. This is the, we give you 2 of these in case you lose one. You unscrew this, out comes this guy, and it goes flap sides out. So you would put this in the middle of those little pencil marks that you made. Can you see that, Max? How's those pencil marks? You can barely see the pencil marks. I can see them pretty well. You'd put this in the middle. You would make some circles where you're gonna put the holes. And this thing is very forgiving because of the way the holes are oriented. You can kind of move it around. So you would do the same thing I did for the toilet paper roll. You would drill the holes, push those push pins in, what are they called? Just like drywall push anchors. And then you'd screw the screws in. And by the way, you get a whole bunch of them. Then this would be mounted there. Then what you do, once this is on the wall, you hook it on back here. And then loosen this up. Sorry, I had a pencil in my mouth. Loosen that up, put that in, and then you just tighten this all the way home, and that thing is in there, and it would be attached to the wall. And the good thing about doing pencil is that, you might not know this, but pencil comes off the wall. You could feel, as I'm feeling this, I just want to show you quality product. It's well painted, scratch resistant, and this is the black, lovely color. So get one in the link of the description below, because I just showed you how to install it.